song that I feel is medicine for all kinds of suffering. And you know, when we look at these images, I feel this kind of bittersweet celebration of life, right? Because these are people who followed their truth and fought for their right to express justice through their own lives. And you know, they were taken out, but thanks to you, they're not forgotten.
Yes.
Their efforts are not forgotten. So this is a song that was composed by not Theodorakis, but Manos Hadjidakis, who was also a 20th century Greek composer. I'm going to read you an English version of the song. It's not a direct translation, but a version that Hadjidakis and some other notable composers adapted into English. And then I'll follow that with our song in Greek, which was originally recorded by Nana Mouskouri. She's a jazz artist. She has sung quite a bit in English and French as well, so maybe you'll recognize her. Deep and silent sea. Deep and silent sea. Close to you, I feel protected. You are so like me. In your face, I am reflected. Tell me what to do, for you know so well. My soul is restless too, touching every shore. You belong to no one ever. Let the tempest roar. You remain and dwell forever. Secret are your ways. Do you wonder that I love you all of my days? You can be unkind where the children play, and you drown their castles in the tide. They don't seem to mind. Teach me to be free, to be sure and strong and sea-like. Deep and shining, you are what I long to be. Let the world go by. I will love you till the silent sea runs dry. Το πέλαγο είναι βαθύ κι αγάπη να μεγάλη. Έχω ένα πόνος στην ψυχή. Έχω και ποιος θα μου τον καλεί. Το πέλαγο είναι λεπτικό, χαδί μαζί και δάκρυ και με κυλάει αφρίζοντας στο ορίζοντα την άκρη. Το πέλαγο είναι παιδί, τρέχει και δεν το φτάνω. Παιδί και στην αγάπη του που σαν